Hello, my name's Katie Rushworth and today I'm going to do a hanging basket for inside that's full of herbs, because I think hanging baskets totally have a place inside and I love growing herbs for the kitchen, so we're going to create one here today. Now, first things first with any container is drainage. I've cut some holes in the bottom of this plastic and I'm going to cover them with some horticultural grit. You could use gravel as well, it's absolutely fine. There at the bottom, because what I don't want, lots of these herbs grow in the Mediterranean, so they like really free drainage, bright sunny conditions. So I don't want those holes in the plastic to become waterlogged and blocked by soil. So that's why I'm covering them up with the grit. Next thing is just general multi-purpose compost. And I'm going to fill that to about an inch before the top of the container. Now this has extra drainage in it. It has all these white bits you can see are perlite, and they aid drainage and also make the soil a little bit lighter, which is great for this because it's a hanging basket. Now this soil has enough food in it for about 6 weeks. After that 6 weeks is up, you'll need to feed your herbs. And you can do that every couple of weeks during spring and summer. Just a general liquid feed will be fine. Something with a high nitrogen content, because really you grow herbs for their leaves, and something with high nitrogen will help produce more foliage. And that's what you want. So, the herbs I have for this hanging basket are thyme. And thyme is a great culinary herb. And I'm going to place it, because it trails nicely like this, I'm going to pop it towards the front of the pot, because I want it to kind of cascade a little bit down the side. It smells so good. It also gets really pretty purple flowers on it, which are nice. And you can eat those too. The next one I have is rosemary. Pop that at the back. Now rosemary can get quite big, but the more you trim it and use it, I suppose, the more it's going to keep it in check. So I'm going to pop that towards the back here. Sage. These all really like the same growing conditions. They're all Mediterranean herbs, which is why I've chosen them to go together. Next I've got some chives. Now I love chives. They have the most gorgeous purple pom-pom flowers that you can also pick and eat, and they look really pretty on top of like potato salads and things. I'm going to pop that towards the back here. Now I couldn't walk past this beautiful chilli plant without buying it, so that really had to go in, and I do love spicy food, so I'm going to pop this in behind the thyme. And that red, that flash of red just looks amazing. And then last but not least, I've got a parsley. Now parsley does get big, but you're going to be cutting this all the time and harvesting the leaves, so it should be fine. If it starts to get too big, you can always take it out and plant it in the garden. The same goes for the rosemary. And you will need to keep feeding this plant, because you're cutting the leaves all the time. It will need some help in replenishing its leaves for you to continue to harvest. So something with a high nitrogen content will be great. And I think that's them all in. So hopefully now it will hang. I'll be able to hang it in the kitchen, somewhere that I can smell it, pick its leaves all year round, and it really is that easy. It smells delicious. It's actually making me hungry. For more how-to videos, visit silverlinetools.com.